Thanks to science fiction and pop culture, black holes are often portrayed as giant cosmic vacuum cleaners that suck in everything nearby. The truth is much more fascinating and less dramatic. A black hole does not suck objects in against their will. If our sun were somehow replaced with a black hole of equal mass, Earth would continue to orbit it in the same way. It would just be cold and dark. Black holes have incredibly strong gravitational pulls, but they only affect things that come too close to their event horizon, which is the point of no return. Outside of that boundary, they behave just like any other object with mass. So they are powerful, yes, but not the universe's unstoppable hoovers.